This is a partner instance, which means that we don't use it for sending. We're not allowed to use it for sending, but we can use it to demonstrate different features within Marketing Cloud, as well as to build proof of concepts. So that's what we've done here with a custom content block. So that slide didn't make sense, whereas talking through a custom content block is. Hopefully this one will now, this demonstration will give you a clearer idea of that. So I'm gonna edit my email. Oh, spoilers, I'm gonna remove this headline right here. But you can see I do have my blocks over here. Remember, I could pull over an image and add an image. This particular email is for a fictitious bank, Plative Bank. I already have some content in here. This was all actually generated by AI as well, by prompts related to an interest-bearing checking account and professional wrestling. So I guess I'm going back to professional wrestling theme. Maybe I should wear the red furry coat. But what we do need here is we need a headline. Now, if I scroll down to the bottom here, you can see our custom content blocks. I'm going to pull this AI generator one over here. You can see I have my block. This is where the content's going to end up. And we have the editor over here. Also the ability to edit HTML, change the block settings like padding, things along those lines. But right here, I'm going to actually type in a prompt. So we'll start saying, hi there, AI. Obviously, it's going to give us something that is not super useful yet. But I can ask it to write a headline for an email about Plative Bank's interest-bearing checking account. And you see it did that pretty quick. Relatively generic, maybe not exactly what we want yet. I'm going to give it feedback like, designers get. Make it pop more, pump it up a notch. We'll see what it says. Supercharge your finances better. All right, now I'm going to go along with the wrestling theme that I had in there. I'm going to say, rewrite the headline like you were a professional wrestler. We'll see, it says, unleash your financial fury. And that's pretty good. I like that. But I'm going to say, give me another option and see what that one says. Step into the financial fury. I do like the financial fury one. I'm going to just click that and select that. And now it has been added right to my email. These blocks behave like any other content blocks. I can drag and drop them. I can move them, all of that good stuff. I could format them differently. I didn't demonstrate that, but that's what I did with these bullet points down here. So we now have an email that is, for the most part, AI generated.